Thank you for stopping by. All support appreciated. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all new episodes and content. So today, I'm back with another device review. I know it's been a while since I've done a device review, but I had to go ahead and cop me something new because my Wolf device went ahead and gave out on me a while back. Not because it's a bad device. I really had some good, blew some big clouds with that old Wolf, you know? So I can't say nothing bad about it, but I was using the wrong chargers to power it up. And it ended up giving out, and it actually says that in the instruction manual. So I went out and did a little looking around, and I came up with this Leaf Buddi UI. It looks more like a J to me, but it's the UI. And this one is purple because I didn't know that the color was going to be the color on the box. So this is the color that it was. But this is the Leaf Buddi UI. And it's a handy little device. Pretty much has the regular specs, you know. Press it 5 times to power it on. Press it 2 times to preheat. And press 3 times to change the voltage. Now, this thing right here is 650 mAh, and it has 4 settings. Most devices have 3, but this one has 4, and they are 2.7, 3.3, 3.7, and 4.1. So it's giving you a little lower voltage versus most start in the 3s instead of the 2s. So it's going ahead and just giving you a little bit more option. If somebody want to take a low temp vape or something, then they go ahead and they can mess with this. But the main thing that really attracted me to this one is that unlike my TH420, this one right here is compatible with various cartridges, so you could switch it up from the CCELL to the glass coil cartridge as well, and it still works and powers up with everything, just like the Wolf. So, you know, this is a good Wolf predecessor. And like I said, it kind of looks like a J to me, but I guess you could see the UI in there. And man, you know what? Matter of fact, I'm over here running my mouth as usual, but we're going to go ahead and try this one out. So first thing I'm going to do is power it on. I don't know if you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And me personally, I like to keep mine at 3.7. But one thing I did learn, like if you're using full gram cartridges, then you want it on the highest setting just to get that extra power, a little bit of power. So, but this one right here is on blue. That's 3.7 volts. And I have a few carts right here already. We keeping this running through. And this one right here is some Skittles, Shatterhouse. So we just gonna put it on and get to work and tell me what y'all think. So this one right here, we're gonna preheat it for 2. Press it 2 times to preheat it. It's working. And then you know what that means. Get to work, y'all. So, you know, you could either hit it like this, but I like mine like this. Hold on, y'all. You know, I guess kind of like a little vape gun, you know, and then you just hold it like that. So you guys know what I like to do. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Oh yeah. So as you can see, It's a sturdy little device, y'all. Sturdy, and it's hitting too. One thing I did learn though, is because I thought that the 650 mAh meant that it was more power, but actually that just means that it is more power, but more power for the battery to last longer versus the voltage. So the higher the voltage, then yeah, I guess it'll last longer. But you know, that's one thing I learned. Just because, you know, if it's 350 mAh, you could still have a 4.1 volt device is basically what I'm trying to say. But man, here, hit that. Hit that. Get you a good one. Get you a good one. All right, I want y'all to pass out. I want you to make it. We still got to try this other one too. Woo! Look at that smoke. Man, y'all trying to kill me up in here. Man, y'all need to stop. Man, I'm going to take one more too. But y'all over here blowing big clouds. Yeah, so this is the Leaf Buddi UI. And it's working out. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so, excuse me, y'all. This was a glass coil cartridge. So like I said, it takes multiple. So we got the CCELL. Now this is a problem that you have with some devices. Like you just think that they work with everything, but they don't. So this one is a CCELL cartridge. And we're going to put that one on there too. If you guys made it this far, I appreciate you. You know, that's why I'm going to let you guys hit this one too. Tell me what you think. First, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the power, just to give it a little energy, a little extra juice, and then go ahead and let it do its magic. So I had a few devices that I thought I could just interchange cartridges and it didn't work. So anytime I get one that works with multiples, then it's a good it's automatically a good one. But out of all my devices, hold on, let me hit this. Oh, this is runts right here. So yeah. Ooh, this is that runts right here. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah. It's alright, huh? I guess it's alright because y'all blowing these clouds over here. I thought I was blowing clouds, but you guys got this whole atmosphere, this, woo. We over here smoking. So yeah, this is the Leaf Buddi UI. You know, what I was trying to say before I went ahead and gave you guys that hit was that out of all my devices, the Leaf Buddi seems like they holding up kind of sturdy. I still have my TH420 and it's still kind of holding up. I done dropped it a few times. It's cracked in a few places, but it still works. And I had it for upwards of 6 months, 7 months, or whatever, however long that video that you guys seen. If you haven't seen the review, check it out. But let you guys go ahead and hit that one more time. I want to be a bad host. Also, if you guys need lighters or anything, check out my website. Links in the description. All support appreciated. Go ahead and check it out. I'm going to have some giveaways and stuff going on over there in the very near future. So we just getting everything rolling. But all support appreciated. Check it out if you need a custom lighter, or I got a few other things over there. Check me out. And on that note, dab it.